Namaste, this is Dhruvika.
I'm so excited to be a part of the CrafTangles team as their design team member for this year, and this happens to be my first DT kit. So I've just taken it out of my box, and trust me, it is a big, huge and a heavy box which is loaded with the goodies. To start with, I have these three blending brushes which are my personal favorites. I've been using them from a very long time, and these are very soft and are amazing to do the ink blending. If you follow me, you know that I love to make ink blended backgrounds, and these come really handy. So these are beautiful, amazing, and these come in a pack of 3. So I'm just keeping it aside. Next I have these stencils. These are 6x6 stencils, and generally when you scroll through the website you see that these are all made for different occasions like Christmas, Diwali, Indian motifs and so on. So I'll just share what I have in my DT kit. So I have, this is called the Christmas elements, and if you will see, you see it's a Santa, snowman, reindeer, bell, Christmas tree, the sleigh, and this is beautiful, isn't it? The next of it is the nature stencil. Yes, so this has got the clouds, the trees, the waves, the peaks and the grass, and it also comes along with the mask. So if in case I want to do multiple things at the same time in the scene building, I think this is going to be very helpful. This one out here is the round lace, which is very delicate and intricate. I think this will work very well with the Indian festivals. This one here, I have the starry background which has got number of stars all around in different sizes. Isn't this beautiful? It'll cover the whole background, isn't it? Next I have, it's called the starry lights, and it's got different lights hanging. It's got the circular lights, these chandeliers with few stars here and there. Next I have, it's called the Christmas ornaments, and isn't it this lovely? And I can just think of many ideas of coloring them green, red, gold and silver, isn't it? Yes. This one out here, I have got another one which is called the Christmas stencil, and it has got the trees, some trees here, and it's got the village skyline. Yes, and the Santa Claus reindeer. I think this will be very helpful in making a beautiful scene. I have here the fireworks. This is again amazing. I think this kit is going to be helpful in making the Christmas and Diwali cards for sure. Then I have the confetti background. This is one of my most favorites. It's called the Damask Basic. It's very intricate design, and I can think of many designs when I see this particular stencil. This one is called the braid pattern. Look at this one. The floral cluster, again very intricate and very difficult to find in any other brand, trust me. Okay, so this one is again one of my favorites. It's called the hearts all around. It's got little star hearts here and there covering the whole background, whereas this one is called the heartful. It's called a little bigger hearts in compared to this one. So you do see the difference here. Both of them are beautiful. Then I have the monuments of the world. For somebody who loves to travel, I think this is beautiful, isn't it? The Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower, Big Ben, amazing, isn't it? To make some themed cards of about traveling, I think this is beautiful. Then this is the last stencil that I have on me, which is called the Indian motifs. It's got the paisley here, it's got the lotus and another motifs here, which can be beautiful for the ethnic designs or some Diwali cards. So these were the stencils that I have here in my kit. Now let's start with my favorites, which are the stamps. So these are all photopolymer stamps, are in the sizes of 4 by 6 and 4 by 4 inches. And when we speak of photopolymer stamps, it basically means that they're high quality stamps. They are stretchy, they are thick, and they're going to last for a long time. So let's start with my 4 by 4 stamps. This one here is called the Holly Jolly Christmas. And if you have a look, see, it's got a candle. It's called the poinsettias and some berries, pines, and it says, wishing you a holly jolly Christmas, happy holidays. Isn't this lovely? I'll just open this one for you. It comes in beautiful packing. Trust me, it is not going to tear off very easily. So this one here, it's a beautiful thick stretchy stamp, so that means it is good photopolymer quality. So this is it, and it very easily slides in, and you can repack your stamps. Yes, so this was my first stamp. Coming on to the second one, this is called the Celebrate You. It's got beautiful flowers here and wonderful, very peppy sentiments called yay, thanks, so happy for you, just said the good news, wish love. So this is another one. Then I have got Hug Me, in which there are beautiful critters carrying boats, and I can actually stamp these sentiments here. Then I have got the festive lights. This is beautiful for Diwali and Christmas, and this has got a string of lights and different sized bulbs. Isn't this beautiful? And probably I can make my own string of lights here, isn't it? Then this is very cute. This is for a birthday card. This is called The Little Prince. It's got sentiments like, to a charming friend, mommy's little prince, happy birthday little man. And look at that cute little face here, little boy riding the horse. Isn't this beautiful? Something for the girls again, I think. So it's called the Mermaid Kisses. It's got two mermaids here. It says, you are mermazing, make a splash, and then small shell, bubble, and the fish. I've got another floral polymer stamp, which is called Happy Ever After. It's a beautiful stem of flowers. Isn't this beautiful? Yes. Then Hello Lovely. I think everybody loves this one. It's called it's got these lotus on it and a bud and beautiful sentiments. This one is a sunflower. It's called Everyday Sentiments. Another one, good one with beautiful sentiments here. Now then I have two dad themed 4x4 photopolymer stamp sets, and in which I have got two central big images for dad and the little kid, and beautiful sentiments again. One thing is very good about these 4x4 stamps with CrafTangles is that you get at least of 4 stamps in the stamp set. So you have a central big image and then smaller sentiments as well, so which you can use, mix and match here and there. Now coming on to my 4x6 stamps. Okay, so this one here is a beautiful bloom border which is designed by Radhika, and this one is a beautiful border here and so many sentiments. It says, believe you can and you are halfway there, be yourself, everyone else is taken. And this one, it says, you can count on me. Aren't these pretty? And I'm sure you're not going to find these sentiments anywhere else. Then I have here, it's called the Superboys. It's got 4 big stamps here, and then it says, believe in your superpowers. Some superheroes do not wear capes, and for a superhero. Isn't this beautiful? Then I have 2 Diwali stamp sets. One is called the Diwali Greetings, the other one is called Celebrating Diwali. It's basically 2 different scenes of a family, father, mother, little 2 kids, and it's got beautiful sentiments again. It says, from our family to yours, which I think we can also use in our Christmas cards. This one says celebrating Diwali, and it's got this beautiful little image of the diya. Isn't this beautiful? And then I have got 3 stamp sets on Father's Day, which is called The Best Guy Ever, Dad My Superhero, and Happy Father's Day. These are good for the masculine cards. And then I've got these twos, which is called The People of India and From All of Us. This one is again one of the very extraordinary stamp sets which I've seen. Nobody else has ever made such thing. And this one, which is called From All of Us, has almost all the sentiments that could be there. And lastly, I have one is called the O Crab, which has got very cute images of the crab, and then have a snappy birthday, have a summer, happy summer, wishing oceans of joy. I think I can mix and match these sentiments and the stamps. And then I have Mom You Rock, wherein there is a little stem of the flower and sentiments for grandma, mom, mother, super mom, master chef. So this was all about my stamps. And now let's have a look at the cardstocks. So I have got about 16 cardstocks here, and so 2 I have, which are the dual textured white cardstocks. These are super amazing. I'll open one for you, which is smooth from one side. It's very smooth, while on the other side it's the matte effect. I think this is good for stamping and coloring. If you see, this is a 250 GSM cardstock, which is amazing for making card bases here. So I have got 2 of these, and then I've got different colors. This one is called the charcoal black, Earl Grey, desert sand, beachy brown, hickory brown, the craft, wine red, rose pink, tangerine orange, canary yellow, sap green. There's another green, which is the emerald green, a little darker. And then I have got 4 blues, which are beautiful. This is a lighter shade of blue called the sky blue, a little peppy and jazzy, which is called the cobalt blue. And then I have got 2. One is called the navy blue, and the darker shade is called the denim blue. I hope you can see the difference. So this was all about it. I got so many cardstocks and a huge pile of stamps, 4x4 stamps, another huge pile of my 4x6 stamps, wonderful, beautiful, intricate, delicate designs, stencils, and
Don't
the
forget to
blending
scroll through the
brushes.
handmade website for all the CrafTangles stamps, stencils, and cardstocks. And lastly, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Stay safe and happy crafting.